Hello guys, this is Karthik from Can Immigration Services with our RCIC consultant for a quick FAQ session regarding the new post-graduation open work permit extension. So hello Vishnu, just a few questions from our international community. They want to know what is this new Pgowp extension?
Postgraduate Work Permit Extension 2023 is a new ray of hope for every international student whose work permit is expired between September 2021 till December 2023.
Okay, and another important question, how do we apply for this?
The application is very simple. You can do it by yourself. There is two options. One, opt-in option. If you have received an email from the CIC that you are qualified for opt-in option, log in with your GC key and you can just fill one page of CIC form to get an approval. Otherwise, the traditional way by which you just need to pay $155.
Okay, sounds good. So this do-it-yourself or opt-in option is best for all students?
Yes, it is. You can opt in if you have qualified and you have received the email from the CIC. However, it is not recommended for those individuals whose work permit is about to expire by end of this year. The only negative side about the opt-in option is as soon as you opt in, your 18 months start kicking. So in case if your work permit is about to expire in December, you are losing almost 6 months of your original work permit and your 18 months is starting from today. So in that case, I would really recommend to wait until your work permit is about to expire. Anyhow, you can able to apply until December 2023. Apply before 2 to 3 months of your current work permit expiring.
Well, there you have it folks. Those are some of the questions that we had from our international community. What is your big question? Please feel free to share it on the comments. See you on the next episode of Talking with Can.
Thank you. See ya. Bye.